In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record audio in Obsidian, turning your note-taking app into a powerful tool for capturing voice memos, meeting notes, lectures, and brainstorming sessions. Obsidian is already fantastic for building a connected knowledge base, but adding audio gives you a whole new way to preserve ideas without having to type every single word. If you find this guide helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open Obsidian on your computer. Give it a moment to fully load, because we want everything ready and stable before we begin. Once it's open, navigate to the vault where you want to store your audio recording. You can either open an existing note or create a brand new one right now. If you're starting fresh, just press Ctrl+N on Windows or Command+N on a Mac to quickly create a blank note. Before you go further, it's a really good idea to make sure your microphone is connected and working properly. You can test it quickly in your system sound settings, because nothing is more frustrating than recording a brilliant idea only to find out nothing was captured. Also, think about creating a dedicated folder for audio notes inside your vault. This keeps everything tidy and makes it much easier to find your recordings later when your vault starts to grow. Now that you're inside your note, it's time to open the command palette. On a Windows machine, press Ctrl+P, and on a Mac, press Command+P. The command palette will pop up in the center of your screen, and the search box should already be active and waiting for your input. If it isn't, just click inside it. The command palette is one of Obsidian's most powerful features because it gives you instant access to nearly every command in the app without having to dig through menus. Learning to use these keyboard shortcuts will seriously speed up your entire workflow, not just for audio recording, but for everything you do in Obsidian. If the palette doesn't open when you press the keys, double check that keyboard shortcuts are enabled in your settings. This is a rare issue, but it's good to know where to look just in case. Next, you'll need to search for the audio recording command. Type the words "Start Audio Recording" into the search bar. As you type, you'll see the list of commands narrow down until the correct one appears. Click on it or use the arrow keys and press enter to select it. The very first time you do this, your operating system will likely ask for permission to let Obsidian access your microphone. This is a normal security step, so go ahead and allow it. If for some reason the command doesn't show up, make sure you're using a version of Obsidian that actually supports audio recording. Most modern builds do, but it's worth checking for updates if you're running an older version. Also, pop into your computer's sound settings and verify that your preferred microphone is selected as the default input device. This small check can save you a lot of troubleshooting later. Once you've selected the command, you are officially recording. Start speaking into your microphone, and Obsidian will capture your voice right inside your current note. Speak clearly and at a comfortable pace, and try to minimize any background noise while you talk. Position your microphone close enough to your mouth so it picks up your voice clearly, but not so close that it captures every breath. If you can, record in a quiet room. This makes a massive difference in audio quality. For longer recordings or meetings, pause briefly between major topics. Those little gaps make it much easier to find specific sections when you go back and review later. And if you are recording a meeting or a lecture, mention the topic right at the beginning. That way, even if you forget to rename the file, you'll always know what the recording is about. When you're done speaking, it's time to stop. Open the command palette again using Ctrl+P or Command+P. This time, type "Stop Audio Recording" into the search bar and select the command. Obsidian will then process and save your audio file directly into your vault. Give it a few moments to finish saving, especially if your recording was long. Don't close the application while it's still writing the file, because that could corrupt the recording. Longer recordings take a little longer to save, so patience here is your friend. The audio file will automatically be inserted into your note as an audio embed, which is incredibly convenient. Now return to your note and locate that newly inserted audio file. You'll see a small audio player embedded right there in your document. Click the play button and listen to your recording from beginning to end. This is your chance to verify that everything was captured correctly, both the audio quality and the full length. If the recording sounds unclear, you might need to try a different microphone or record in a quieter environment next time. It's also a good habit to rename your note with a descriptive title right after you finish recording, so you can easily find it later. And consider adding a short written summary right beneath the audio player. Even just a few sentences can give you a quick reference of what was discussed without having to listen to the whole recording again. From here, you can continue recording audio notes anytime you need. Just repeat the process. Open a note, open the command palette, search for Start Audio Recording, and you're off. As your collection grows, organize your recordings into folders to keep your vault neat and navigable. Audio recordings are fantastic for interviews, lectures, project updates, personal journals, or any time you need to capture your thoughts quickly. Always give each note a descriptive title so you don't have to guess what's inside. Combining these audio recordings with written notes, tags, and properties creates a really rich and searchable knowledge base. And please, back up your vault regularly. Audio files take up more space than plain text, so having a solid backup plan protects all that hard work. You've just learned how to record audio directly inside Obsidian, which lets you capture ideas, conversations, and important information without typing everything manually. By blending voice recordings with your written notes, you build a more complete and flexible knowledge base that saves you time and preserves every important detail. If you need to revisit any of these steps, just save this video or drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.